aim for this event was to spotlight the innovations transforming North America's supply chain. The innovators that were on stage will contribute to the development of a robust and sustainable electric vehicle value chain, as well as advanced manufacturing ecosystem right here in Canada.
For those of you who haven't heard of Plug and Play and don't know what we're all about, think of Plug and Play sitting as like a matchmaker of sorts, connecting startups in our ecosystem with our corporate partners on their pilot initiatives.
And because these are companies that are kind of growing and scaling, they just have a bit more of an openness to kind of collaborate, to share data and share ideas. And I really do feel like that's kind of the ticket for, a more collaborative approach to economic development. So I'm really excited to kind of grow and expand this from here. And speaking and networking and meeting all the great people today has just been a wonderful experience.
Every single plug and play event that we go, that becomes the best experience. I see the network is getting bigger and bigger and more opportunities are coming. And the willingness from the corporate partners to work with the startups, which is really unique.
It was really exciting to see the other startups present and talk to a few of the investors that are really focused on doubling down on AI, especially in today's economy, to transform a lot of the supply chain problems we've seen across the industry.
We are a spray digitization platform making hardware and software. Everybody wants just software, but the reality is we live in a physical world and you need things like this where it touches the physical world.
If you told suppliers what to offer, not only could you make the process go faster, but you could deliver predictable, repeatable cost savings in a very scalable manner.
Our methodology drives our laser focus on building the future of manufacturing in 3 approaches: AI-led data insights, modular hardware, and incredibly smart software.
This environment created such an immersive space where you had startups pitching, you had fireside chats, we had a fantastic investor spotlight, and I cannot wait to do it again.